In this video, I will introduce you to the general layout of the terminal and explain where you find the various functions. The main way to navigate in the terminal is with the various tabs in the row at the top. The first one is the Overview tab, where you can see the latest market data, your portfolio, as well as non-settled transactions. In the Wallet tab, you can manage multiple wallets, including software and hardware. Next to the Wallets tab, you can see all of the transactions made to and from your wallets. The Explorer tab has a simple explorer you can use to search for any address or transaction hash in the Bitcoin blockchain. Next to the Explorer, you can find the charts for the price of all of the products traded in the terminal. Using wallets with the BlockSettle terminal doesn't require a BlockSettle account. You will, however, need to log into the BlockSettle terminal in order to trade and use the OTC chat. The login button is located in the top right of the terminal. In the Trade tab, you can see the market data and select products you wish to request quotes for. In the Trade blotter, you can see the status of your trades. Next to the Trade tab comes the Dealing tab. In the Quote Request blotter, you can see all the requests that you can respond to. The OTC Chat tab is a chat where you can ask questions to the community or BlockSettle support, but also trade directly with specific users. It doesn't matter which tab you're in, you can always access the Create Transaction button to send Bitcoins or the Generate Address button to receive Bitcoins. In the bottom left of the terminal, you can see all the balances, both in Bitcoin and fiat. And in the bottom right, you can quickly see terminal connections. The BlockSettle logo is blue when logged in. The Bitcoin symbol represents the connection to the Bitcoin core. Green means you're connected to testnet, yellow symbolizes mainnet, and gray means that there is no connection at all. The last dot represents the connection to the signer. Green means it's connected, and red means that the handshake between the signer and terminal has failed. Settings can be found under File in the top left. You can also access information to do with your logged in BlockSettle account and find guides and support if you have any questions.